Well, good afternoon. Welcome back to the job site. Today we are removing that sign off the wall there. I hope this isn't going to be too crazy just because I have to pick it from the middle, which means I can only reach so far either side. So I might have to like lower one end and then lower the other. We'll see. This shouldn't be too crazy. Say that now. Let's get busy. Okie dokie. We are in lovely Woodinville, Washington. It's taking down this sign. Yeah, it's gonna be weird. Oh, it's not gonna be too weird. At least the access is easier with this sign. I have one like right around the corner that I just took down, but it was pouring down rain, as it does in Washington. So I did not get any good footage. It was raining a little too much. I just don't like to film in the rain. I just hope I can do what I want with this. Yeah, I think I can do that. Yeah, it shouldn't be too crazy. This old fluorescent cabinet, or it used to be a push-through acrylic sign, but now it's just got a ACN face. Well, let's get to the other side, disconnect the power. It's nice because everything's external here. There's a nice switch box. What was that noise? I didn't like it. Wow. Well, let's turn it off. Hey, Mike Cole. I'll show you this real quick. So there's a guy named Mike Cole who leaves his signature on almost every single sign he's ever worked on. So every now and then I see one. So shout out Mike Cole. I've never met him actually. Never actually met the guy, but I've seen all of his calling cards everywhere. I mean, probably a couple dozen over the years. I hate it when dirt gets in screw heads. So definitely do not want to strip these screws out. Yeah, I gotta love Washington State weather. 2 days ago it was almost 70 degrees. Beautiful day. Smells like spring. But not today. It's right back to winter. 40s and raining. Although I got a little bit of a window here. Hopefully it's a good enough window. Why is it all the way over there? So I gotta take this middle panel off. Of course, more dirt. Oh, riveting content right here. Oh, you're really gonna do that to me? There's the one cover I need to get off. You know, if I really had to, I could probably just cut it. Which I might just do. Yeah, because those ain't coming out. Alright, so we'll just cut this. I actually used Seal Tight instead of Carflex. Even though I know this is off, always test it. Always, always, always. There. Okay. Power disconnected. I think I might need to grab my saw. So basically what I have to do here, so we got an upper bolt and a lower bolt. I got to take that lower bolt out and then back this one off as much as I feel comfortable doing, because that's really nice and tight in there. Wow. So back that lower one out, basically get it pivoting on this upper bolt and then lower that side down, and then come back over here, pick this side up, and then lower that side down. Just a little different than what I'm used to. So if I could, or if there were mounting points in the middle of the sign where I could reach it when I have it picked, then it'd be nice and easy. Let's just see what we can do here. Is this just in lag shields? I really hope this thing just doesn't fall. If it does, it's really not going to hurt anything. This is my pride. Just a really tiny hanger bolt into a lag shield. I've seen worse. It's brick. There's only so many things you can do with brick. Really nice brick though. This thing is going to weigh a ton. Yeah, I'm going to get my jib. Rather have it, not need it. And need it, not have it. See you in a minute. Alright, I got my jib. A couple different straps. Let's go unhang a sign. So in my head, this should be fine. This should go really smooth. In my head. What goes on in my head and what goes on in reality, not always the same thing. Let me just basket this. Under hole. Pick up a little bit of weight. There. Here goes nothing. Just kind of hope that one bolt over there is strong enough to hold all this. I mean, I know it is. 3/8 bolt has a tensile strength of like 20,000 pounds, I think, and shear strength of... Yeah, 3/8 bolts are remarkably strong. Okay, they're loose. And let's go down. I might just have to manually lower it down. Let's just lower you down. Just crank, crank, crank. Just don't want to take out this rhododendron, which is also the state flower of Washington. You were wondering? Huzzah! This just has to look weird to anybody looking at me right now. So that's going to go very far away from where I want it to be. I need to use every inch of this truck. I do love a good takedown, because you get to see like what other people do or what they get away with. It's your chance to criticize what other people did. That's just kind of an electrician thing. I mean, that's always been the meme. Electricians are like, they never clean up after themselves. They always criticize what other people did. I might want to get a little closer. Well, I'm definitely not going to go all the way down, just the way the basket is. A bit of weight. It's probably, yep, not even tight. It kind of goes to show you just how strong 3/8 bolts are. Okay, they're loosey-goosey. Of course, I have another bush to contend with here. Now, that's all I got. Then we're just going to lower it down. Let's take you on a ride. Going down. Just don't flip over on me, sign. Okay. I just realized I can't reach it from where I am. So unpick it. I'm going to need to repick it. Get it over on the sidewalk. But I still have to get down first. Okay. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? Okay, now, need a couple eye bolts and a 6-foot strap. We'll do it. Right, so now that I have this thing in a bush, now I gotta get it out of the bushes. Shouldn't be too bad. I just have to do it all by myself. Now, in an ideal world, I would have an apprentice or another set of hands to help me with this. But not in this economy. I don't know, I do kind of like working by myself. So when you're out here by yourself, you have to kind of think outside the box. Do kind of unorthodox things. Like you really have to use your brain sometimes. Most of the time you really don't. Now I gotta leave this connected while I reposition the truck in order to pick this bad boy up and set it down on a couple carts I have. Alright, picking up some tension. That's what I wanted. That's far enough. This thing is really heavy. Oh there. Let's just see if I can set her down. Probably like right here. Don't fall over. Don't fall over. All right, that's good. Good, good, good. Well, that was exciting. Now I just got to get it in the truck. And that's not the easy part. Although I did bring things that will make it much easier. So let's get to it. At least one of these will come in handy. Just get this swung over. He's not going to like going over that lip of concrete. But I don't think I have very far to go. So that's nice. Alright, fun part. Ow. Yeah, I need to get it over this little bump. Okay. Oh, I just don't want to have to lift it up. Whew. In you go. I don't really want to have to do that again. Not for a long time. Strap that down in a moment. Now we just gotta go button up the power. Just take that whip off the wall. Actually, I need a plug. I mean, sometimes it's nice when you get a switch like this provided by the electrician. Generally, it's not. At least an exterior switch like this. Because this switch is just not necessary because there's one on the sign. It's just another point of failure. Switches don't last forever. Ew, what the hell is in there? There are all kinds of bugs and stuff in here. Dead bugs, dirt and dust. It's supposed to be a sealed box. So then how did all that stuff get in it? Question for the philosophers. That one is my white. And that one is my black. I know, I should have channel locks, I just didn't bring them with me. I have like 9 pairs too. After that, put my handy dandy cap on it. Shove all this jazz back in. Cover back on and get out of Dodge. That's that. Yeah. Well, that's it. That was a unique removal. I don't think I've done one of those in a while, or something kind of like that in a while. Very sketchy, but not at the same time. Like, I knew what I was doing. I knew what I wanted it to do. So that's all I've got to say about that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.